Hey everyone, it's Mary from Aesthetics and Longevity, and today I'm so excited to talk to you all about our Lumivive system. So this system is one that you are going to use both day and night, and it actually has a day and a night cream. They both work on intrinsic and extrinsic aging, so they're actually going to protect against environmental factors and then also just the natural aging that our body goes through as we start to age. Now, the night cream is this one right here, and you're going to use it at night, clearly, and this is the one that is going to protect your body from the intrinsic aging. So as we start to age, our skin cells start to slow down, but this one is going to keep those skin cells working all the time. So it's almost like a jumper cables for your skin cells. Now this one is the Lumivive Day, and this is going to protect from all environmental factors such as the sun, pollutants, and different things like that. And so this is like a super antioxidant. It also is super cool because it protects from blue light and artificial lighting, which is something that not a lot of people think about. As with any SkinMedica product, you can receive brilliant distinction points with this and use it towards other products or other services such as Botox and fillers. Now, if you are not sure where to use this in your routine or how to specifically use it in your specific routine, please stop by our office and we can do a complimentary Visia consultation on you and customize a skincare routine that is perfect for you.